In this 21st century, the insurance industry is all about data and technology. 3 years from now, worldwide spending on data storage and infrastructure is expected to double. And yet companies still struggle to turn raw digital information into analysis and insight. Step forward Maroun Morad, president of ISO Commercial Lines at Verisk, based in New Jersey. I'm Andrew Wilson. Welcome to the Business Debate. Maroun Morad, welcome to the London Stock Exchange. Good to see you.
Good to see you. Thank you, Andrew.
In this wider world of international insurance, policies, premiums, commercial risk assessment, what best describes the area where you operate? What do you do?
Within Verisk, we serve customers across the entire policy lifecycle and customer journey, from helping insurers and reinsurers identify growth and more specifically profitable growth opportunities, to providing them with the tools to risk assess the risks, as well as the insurance policy language and wordings, underwrite the business by providing actionable insights to help them underwrite with more precision, become more operationally efficient, manage claims more seamlessly and accurately and with speed, as well as manage catastrophes and extreme events from an accumulation point of view.
And nowadays it's all about finding patterns in raw data, isn't it? And that's something that Verisk specializes in.
Yes, we are the world's leading data and analytic firm in the insurance sector. We handle billions and billions of transactions every year. Large-scale data ingestion is one of our core capabilities, and we serve clients globally in the insurance sector.
How hard is that to find patterns in all this simple raw data?
It's not easy. It's not easy. And our data sets are contributory, they're proprietary, and we also collaborate with third parties, ingesting the data using computational technologies, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and deep learning techniques in order to interrogate the data and derive actionable insights out of it.
But also there's human touch is still needed, isn't it? I mean, you're an international organization headquartered in New Jersey, but operating around the world, and you need a level of cultural sensitivity to be able to do that effectively, I imagine.
Yes. What we do at Verisk is augment our clients' capabilities. We're not seeking to replace people. And the cultural sensitivity is very important. We operate in over 30 countries. We've got physical presence in them. Today, there's a talent war. And to have the right talent in the right sectors, within the right cultures, speaking the right language, help us better serve clients across the globe.
That makes me think of the different buzzwords that there are in your industry at the moment. People talk about the Amazon effect, about data analytics, of course. Talent drain is another. Are these the current issues in your view?
Yes, well, current issues and current opportunities. Really, when you talk about the customer journey, there is a growing need from corporate business as well as individual consumers to have a personalized experience. This is powered by data analytics and software. We are really living at the intersection of insurance, technology, and data analytics. The talent drain is a big issue, but also an opportunity for clients. There are statistics that in the United States that suggests that about 25 to 30% of the workforce in the insurance industry will retire over the next 5 to 6 years. So there will be a gap, and we at Verisk try to bridge that gap and minimize its effect by providing our clients with actionable insight in order for them to continue growing their business profitably.
So Verisk started, in 1971 as the original ISO, a not-for-profit in those days as well. Is that still your core business, or how has it changed?
We're very proud of our humble beginnings, and today, as you know, we're a publicly listed firm, have received Forbes' most innovative company distinction a few years in a row. Verisk serves 3 industry segments: property and casualty insurance, natural resources, and financial services. And insurance is our largest vertical.
Yeah, but those are big briefs, all of them. I mean, what's coming down the pike now in the 21st century? What are the emerging risks that you're seeing coming up on the horizon?
There are plenty, and we can spend the entire time talking about them. The risks and associated opportunities for insurers are big data, the telematics, being in the auto, motor space, or home, or commercial properties, drones, artificial intelligence, civil commotion, earthquake, extreme events. We've just had Irma, Harvey, and Maria this past summer.
And the customer is changing a lot. Customer relations is going to be a new battlefield for the insurance industry, is it not?
Yes. The customer expectations are changing rapidly, not only because of the millennial or the advancement in technology and the speed of technological advancement, the power of cloud computing, and the ability for companies to ingest large amounts of data to serve them back to customers. So the ultimate insured, be it a corporate entity, a consumer, a small business, expect today a personalized service, a personalized solution, personalized product, and they want it very quickly. So using data and analytics as well as actionable insight to deliver that experience to the clients through our customers is what we do.
Data analytics is about looking at the present, the status quo, but also trying to set up patterns to help predict the future, which we know is impossible, of course, but what are the warnings that people might ignore? What are the dangers out there at the moment that could be coming up for the insurance industry?
I believe complacency. Complacency, not clearly realizing that there is descriptive analytics, there's diagnostic analytics, but also I believe you're referring to predictive as well as prescriptive analytics. Insurance is a conservative industry. It's a very interesting business where you promise to pay a claim in the future in return for present day payment of a premium. And we need to make sure that we remain innovative and on alert in a fast-changing world.
And briefly, I mean, honesty is a big issue in today's fast-changing world as well, isn't it? The public trusting authorities, trusting large global systems. We're seeing this in politics as well. What if you lose the confidence of your clients, of your customers?
It could be detrimental. We at Verisk pride ourselves as being very responsible data stewards. We're a very responsible data analytic company. We aspire to be the most responsible and trusted. We handle billions of records, petabytes of data, and our clients expect us to handle it very carefully, to tokenize and encrypt the data, not only when it's at transit, but also while at rest, in order for us to continue receiving contributor data sets and serving clients.
Maroon Borad, thanks very much indeed for joining us. That's it for now. Do join us again on our next great encounter on the Business Debate.